Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the PSPCL HR website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pshr.pspcl.in and press enter. You will now be taken into the official HR website for PSPCL. Now within the login ID section, type in the user ID that you have used while signing up to create your account and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on PSPCL HR right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into the PSPCL HR website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.